We all know that, AI, it's making kind of our lives easier.
AI is changing many aspects of how we build software. But what about the types of software we can build?
One of the things we must learn as a software development agency is how to really do a great implementation of AI in any type of software we're building. So the more we know, the better we can deliver results for our clients.
Delivering innovative applications for our clients is exactly why we invested in an in-person training for our team on LLM application development. The course was led by John Berryman and based on his book, Prompt Engineering for LLMs. Our team learned a lot, and John spoke to the wide audience that we assembled, representative of many different job titles in our team of software experts at AgilityFeat and WebRTC Ventures.
It's been amazing. I mean, we have all the team, I think, is learning a lot. And also there are a lot of different perspectives. Everyone is working on different projects. Some need low latency, maybe others care more about quality, others care about QA, others about UI. So there have been topics around all these different spaces. And I think it's helping us also come up with ideas to resolve current challenges we have. Obviously, a lot related to latency, but also there were some interesting ones about UI, UX, about how to display better results or actions that agents are doing or LLMs are performing. I think it's a really useful 1 week session we are having here.
This has been an amazing opportunity. I'm learning a lot since the first slide that he got there and to the last one. I'm learning every little bit of it.
John's course covered the basics of how to integrate with LLMs programmatically, and he was able to provide actionable tips for our team.
And one of the things John mentioned in the course is that you have to know how it was trained, the model, because some of them were trained with JSON also. So you can ask them to return results in JSON and they are perfectly fine, but others are not trained like that. So you have a harder time getting JSON results from them.
Right after this, I'm going to explore how we can improve the automation suites that we already have.
John inspired them to improve our processes. Even though many members of our team already have impressive experience building with LLMs, John was able to speak to the range of experience in the room, level setting the newcomers while also inspiring the more experienced LLM devs.
And now that he is telling us all of that, imagine all the time that you can save.
One of John's messages that resonated with our team was the idea of building for the future. Applications based on LLMs will constantly change because the abilities of LLMs are constantly changing. That means you have to leave space in the application for the next set of features you expect the LLMs can support soon.
One recommendation is to think that in the future, something is going to be possible. So you don't try to fix an entire problem, but try to believe that in the future something is going to be possible, and perhaps that's the way that we should do that.
So this was mind-blowing for me because I was not thinking how to build applications this way. So this changed a lot.
John's book on prompt engineering for LLMs is great. But if you have the chance to bring him in for a training with your team, then I would definitely recommend it. And I know my colleagues would too.
I just want to do a shout out to John because he's amazing. He's a great communicator. You can really understand what he's saying, and he's very funny.
At AgilityFeat, we've been building sophisticated tech teams based in Latin America for our clients since 2010. And through our WebRTC Ventures brand, we've also been building cutting-edge communication applications. Integration with LLMs is a fast-growing part of our work, and we expect that the lessons we learned from John will be useful with all of our clients in the near future. We could even bring him in with us as a consultant on the innovative work our clients are asking for. To learn more about John and his prompt engineering book and course, visit arcturus-labs.com. And to learn more about our work, check us out at agilityfeat.com.